and we meet our wonderful woman. Yeah, so I want her to mention her name and give us. She is one of the nominations, so I want her to say hello to us. My sister, your friend say.
Your friend Maria Alpha.
Matisa, you are one of the nomination. Okay, hey, now who I ever say? Hey, Charlie. What's the why of papa? Oh, why of papa? Now, what the nomination you're doing?
Make a difference in the community.
Oh, okay. And then, Pana, who your community 90 nominate you, sir.
I can't make a woman in this community.
But I'll show your name.
I can't make a woman in this community. Make a bobia, with the nipper back together to celebrate them. They will insist here.
Okay. Yeah. Once in a year, no, even twice in a year, we celebrate to be a friend. All nations meet and greet. In the Sanoma, and you cultures little warning in a Naya bathroom, Naya dressing a culture, not you're celebrating a camera, a year also. Now the chance of community and the one, yet to me, yet to me, be a breakfast club. Breakfast club, we say. Obinmaya, you have breakfast club, no more can say clapper, you didn't call a big jack, I have had a form of you the breakfast club, and you're happy and then Palina, you're not animal, and you come up and your community prize was a black community. It's a dear young community. Okay, I don't think I choose award, no. My Baba say, Ejima Mayor, and Ejima Papa, a month while you move for swap and pray. Until I nominating. Okay. In fact, why Papa? Nah, me bomb by say, Yambas award in the mount. Me bomb say, Bronya, ya, bay. Me pese uma utun krofofo ene Ghana for some 5 foot oni bi fa bi Ghana drivers said omo dimirika gidigidi wo kwan so accident ni ade na ma wo mo no mo san fan drive ni ade me pese utu wo mo so fo na ye hwe na ye ko me nuanu ma mo wo Ghana e wo ko se ronya ba e ye nijie na nijie Nijene Sambe Dani Erewa Mai. Erewa say, over Papa Bonsa. When him say woman, sir, you are not allowed to drive. Into me and then me ballo. The Obia may drive, but me say be a me banner and Nijeba. Be a me Sambe Cat, the big crameno. Into me for taxi nearby. Me drive him back. Into the Bisano. Oh, be a Uber party. Our Christmas in Remudia, Miss Robbie Bray, and Drabonco, Fantastico, what you and me, oh, yeah, now was our friend taxi, now what you walk of fear. Mama come out to Susuno, Moon Chesu, Namon Canabasa, no more because Christmas, as Yanni said, Radia Chayaba, Obamias, Ebegia, and when the celebrations, I am celebrating, I am a celebration, and Bedani and Rewama, if you miss Rama, Mosha. Na yo munya pa yo ntino ene na chia wadofo nso ene yenko okay me ameka sese ya no me yesire mini me fi zebila ye next to boku
Yeah, Yamia Mantuma, no abrochile mam. Abrochile mama made you to make us an UK. Precisely Milton Keynes number one. It's in the same chia. Me come for na mesra wo sister me di me come kasa kakra ade be wom fa wom meti ase fa wom ma bi ba ne be yiri ne ye ko ya barka saka ka ko be ye ma ye bi mamzi pela na sa tin pela to ati ya dala am tina to asele ene kwa ke zina kama mzee pela la then to kana kama mtu Milton Keynes tingwa ka ko ke aba ganga mzina ye ba team award ye to kana kan tuma ene tumso kati ko wina barka la su malle ye se ene kama buri ya paya buri ya pala la yele buri ya da ko tintin murambu tintin ba moto tintin te bel me ya me ya we party da moto sinye te mo no ba tintin ya ba haka kunna ka bugu wala so na bugu dama o dana moto kule a kulfa yiri na lafi tinyo hobi no amna lafi da tintin murambu don si mayen zele pele ye mpoya ne to yumpa ne wina mile ntiti yumpa ka buri ya tina party tini lenka yumpa na lafi wina mtu yisa masi yesu amen
amen na matese also be your program program be ye it is our program na wo ye no for to dwa for date ni to dwa say the drew ha amanfo nso be ba boa wo
okay nyame ya aduma ye medical no ye be ye bibi to say Christmas party and no ye on the 23rd of December ye be ye Tuesday ye be ye no Christmas party kakra because community ameye aduma no charity ye sajuma no ye friend MGB community service na MGB na asia ni say making good better na kesia pa ebeba no nyame ya aduma ebeba on the 10th of January 2026 and no ye be ye fundraising gala dinner dance and ye say wodi oni be hwe ebe ye boy ebe ye kikim sa fundraising no na ye be boa ejuma ye di ye wo community it misra mo bre me do fo mo wo be bia nyina no for the dinner so and ye 10th of January 2026 mumbra na be ye ya to na nyame be hira
kane brofo kakra bi na wo so wo ntitwi no entie sa wo program ya wo be ye no mo so aba abeja wo
my beloved I am here at the Milton Hall today being the 12th of December 2025 we are having award gala dinner night and I have been privileged to be one of the nominees that I'm here tonight to celebrate so I really thank God for what he has done. Due to the community work I have been doing, we have a charity called MGB Community Service. MGB Community Service stands for Making Good Better. We bring people together to celebrate, to break the spirit of isolation. We run a breakfast club that is non-profitable one, very cheap, very affordable. We open on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. And it's at the Trinity Center in Milton Keynes. That is Trinity Center, MK6 2LA. You can come there on those days. But we have events also coming up. On the 23rd of December, we're having our Christmas dinner. You are all invited to come. And the biggest one that we will have, that will be on the 10th of January 2026. We are having our fundraising event on today. Please come and support us because this fundraising is all going to be in the charity work we have been doing to support those who are vulnerable, those who cannot afford. So please, you are all invited. I'll repeat on the date again. That is on the 10th of January 2026. And me standing here, they call me Maria Alpha. I am the lead of the charity. So if you want to contact me, my number is 078082888419. I'll repeat the number again, 078082888419. You are all invited. Come and support and be blessed. Thank you.
Okay. Then say goodbye to your fans. Bye.
Bye. Bye.